Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Randy and I run a shop called We Crafty Creations. I have a shop on Goimagine as well as one on Etsy, and I also dabble a little bit in some other passive income streams. Today I want to talk about Goimagine. The last video I made, I believe it was the last video I made, was on this kind of on the same subject, but I wanted to follow up a little bit on that. So if you saw that video, awesome. If you haven't seen that video, I'm going to go ahead and make sure to put a link to it in the description of this video, as well as put it up on the screen here for you to click on if you want to go check out that video first. It's kind of a part 2 to that video. So what I was talking about in the last video was mostly just the search engine on Goimagine and how the SEO works versus Etsy. We talked a lot about Etsy and Goimagine. This time I just want to focus more on the Goimagine side of things and not really comparing it to anything else. So just here on the Goimagine page, I searched for cat memorial. I did this 3 months ago and posted a video up about it, and now I'm following up. It's basically the same number of products. I think it was 48 products that came up the last time that I searched cat memorial. So it hasn't really changed a whole lot. The items listed aren't really in much of a different order when you scroll through. It's a lot of the same items, and then there's just a couple of new ones in here somewhere. And I was curious because one of the things that I pointed out is that that's not a lot of results, really. How many things are not here that should be here? So I decided to search for cat ornament. So before we go over there, we can see this custom ornament item right here. This one right here. This is like a sun catcher thing. That could be an ornament, but not really what I was thinking exactly. These little charms, but we can see here, there's not, these are necklaces. This is an ornament right here, this round ornament, but there's not a ton here. We can see what's here, and then these Scrabble tile looking ones. There's a few of those. Let's go into cat ornament and search. Here we go. So there are 79 items showing up as cat ornament. And right away, you see this custom cat ornament right here. This one right here with the moon and the 3 cats on it. Some of these don't necessarily apply to what I'm thinking. This one right here, this one with the cat's names, little wood one. There's quite a few here that I think would definitely fall under cat memorial. That would be a term that could totally fly with a lot of these and wouldn't be strange at all. There's a few items in here, like this one right here in the middle of my screen is indeed one that was on the cat memorial page. And then I saw this one's mine right here with this orange kitty, and then this one over here to the right with showing the custom colors. That one's mine. And then I think this Reggie one might have been there. But overall, getting a little distracted, but overall, there's a lot of items on this page that are not over under cat memorial that definitely could go there and wouldn't be strange at all. And so that is an opportunity that you're missing out on by not having your item listed, not having the word memorial somewhere in your title and tags. You get a fair amount of room to add things in there. So what's going on that's keeping some of these from getting over onto that page? So let's go back up to the top, some of these ones. Let's go to this one right here from Quilts on the Fly. And it says embroidered cat romance suncatcher ornament, cat shadow box ornament. And of course we can't see the words that they chose for their keywords. We can only see this, and then we can see the description. Looking at the description here, 2 cats in love sitting together on a swing, and so they're going with a romantic kind of, idea behind it. But also there may be a cat that passed away, and then the cat's brother or sister passed away, and then someone might see this as the 2 cats are back together again over the Rainbow Bridge or something along those lines. So this definitely could still fit into the memorial. I really personally feel like that is a word they should add if they can to their keywords, and then it would pop over there. But I am certain that many of these, there's a way to get that one extra word in there, memorial. There's already the word cat. You know, they've got the word cat all over the place. But if they could just add the word memorial to that, just as a short critique of some of these items on this very first page here, the title is supposed to be short. We've been told don't do like so many people have done on Etsy and put a long title and fit as many letters as you can into that title. That's not necessary. But cat ornament might be a little too short. Why not personalized cat ornament? If this only comes in this color scheme, then maybe personalized plaid cat ornament or plaid personalized cat ornament or something along those lines. Black cat ornament could be wood slice black cat ornament. You know, adding a couple of words to it. Don't go crazy, but that really can help your listing out in being found for more terms. Now, this might help them if someone's looking specifically for cat ornament. That might be why this one is showing first. But from what I have been told, for the way that Goimagine's algorithm works, the first most important factor in deciding which items are shown in what order when there's a search term inputted is based on sales. So in my opinion, this person's item is showing first for cat ornament because they have sold multiples of these. And we can take a look at it and see if it comes in other colors, just out of curiosity. Please type the name in the notes section at checkout. No, I think this just comes just the way it is, and then you just put the name in, and they put the year on there for you. So I'm kind of surprised it sold a lot, just based on what I know about the sales on Goimagine, but you know, you never know. Somebody might have ordered 4 of them. Somebody who has 4 cats, you know, that kind of thing. So then they got 4 sales right off the bat. You know what I mean? So that's just something to consider. Just add a couple extra words to your title. Don't make them long and crazy, but don't leave things out that are important. If you have a personalized product, your item should definitely say either personalized or custom. You should have both of those words in your keywords, but in your title, it should have one or the other. Because the title is not only to help you be found in search, but the title is also there for the first thing the customer sees besides the picture. And if they see the word personalized and they were specifically looking for something personalized, then they know they're in the right track. So they found probably what they want. And you know, the faster they decide that your item is the item they want, then the less likely is they're going to look around and wander off your page and not find their way back to your page. That's just one thing that I wanted to kind of follow up on when it comes to keywords. We really need to do a little research. If you're not getting a lot of sales and you're not getting a lot of views and you know you're not sure what's going on with Goimagine, it's one of the first things that you need to ask yourself, and do a little research of your own and search for your own products the way that you think customers would search for products. And you know, if your item's not on that list at all, that means you left at least one of those words off of your keywords, and so it's not going to get found that way. So this video is a little shorter than some of my long drawn out videos, but I'm going to do a few more. I really want some suggestions on what people are struggling with the most on Goimagine. It would really help me out a lot because I don't want to guess what you are all struggling with. The reason why I'm seeing this is just because I'm seeing such few results when I search for certain terms. And I know a lot of the makers on Goimagine are also shoppers on Goimagine, so you know we can kind of see some of the mistakes that other makers might be making, and then we can learn from those ourselves and make sure that our products are optimized. One other quick thing that I wanted to mention is that if you haven't joined Maker's Circle, you can go onto Apple Play Store or Google Play Store or wherever you get your apps and search it's literally the word maker and then circle. and I believe it's open to everybody now. When they first put that out there, it was only open to invitees, but as time went on, they went ahead and made it open to everybody. So, I mean, everybody that sells on Goimagine. So check it out. That's kind of like the Facebook group, except for you don't get distracted by all the other things that you see on Facebook, because it's literally just about Goimagine. If you want a shop critique, you can look up Sarah Sewell, Sewell, and she does shop critiques for Goimagine. I think it's once every other week, but I could be wrong, to be honest. But something to take a look at for sure. Give you a little bit more information and ideas, and bounce ideas off of each other, and post a picture and ask, what do you all feel about this photo? What keywords do you think I should put, on my listing for this photo? What would you search for and expect to find this? Those types of things, and we really should lean on each other. And like I said before, you can always leave me a comment with a question, or like I said just a second ago, a suggestion on what you would like to see more of on my channel. So sorry for rambling on a little bit. I really appreciate y'all. If you could give me a like if you found this informational or interesting or entertaining in any way, and subscribe to see more videos like this in the future.